Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today we'll analyze DTC code P0731, which indicates a first gear incorrect ratio problem for the Honda Pilot model years 2016 to 2022. This diagnostic trouble code DTC relates to automatic transmission functionality, specifically the first gear engagement. The transmission is critical for transferring power from the engine to the wheels, and an incorrect ratio can lead to poor vehicle performance and potentially unsafe driving conditions. Understanding how this DTC affects the transmission system components, such as the first clutch and hydraulic circuits, is vital for effective troubleshooting. We will follow the recommended diagnostic steps, ensuring we assess conditions under which the DTC arises and implement corrective measures. Let's start with an overview of the key components impacted and how we'll approach the diagnostics. The DTC P0731 signifies an issue related to the first gear engagement in the automatic transmission of the Honda Pilot. Specifically, it indicates an incorrect ratio, which means that the desired gear ratio isn't matching operational specifications. One of the primary components affected is the first clutch, situated within the transmission assembly. The first clutch plays a crucial role in engaging the first gear, enabling smooth initial acceleration. When the first clutch fails to activate correctly, it can disrupt the transmission's ability to shift effectively. This malfunction can lead to symptoms like slipping gears or unexpected engine RPMs, making it essential to ensure the first clutch operates within specified parameters. Additionally, the hydraulic circuit that supports the clutch's operation is essential and can also contribute to the problem if compromised. Several underlying issues can result in the P0731 DTC. First, a faulty first clutch could prevent proper engagement, leading to an incorrect gear ratio. This failure could be attributed to wear and tear, resulting from prolonged use or insufficient transmission fluid maintenance. Second, line pressure issues can affect the hydraulic system's ability to function correctly. If the transmission does not receive the right pressure, the first clutch may not engage or release as intended. Lastly, a clogged hydraulic circuit can further compound these problems as it hinders fluid flow essential for the proper operation of the transmission gears. Understanding these possible causes helps us in targeting our diagnostic efforts effectively. When DTC P0731 is triggered, the following symptoms are often observed. Firstly, drivers may notice poor acceleration. The vehicle may struggle to gain speed or feel sluggish, especially when attempting to move from a complete stop. This outcome primarily results from improper engagement of the first gear, as the transmission can't harness the engine's power efficiently. Secondly, increased engine RPMs without corresponding speed is another symptom. This disparity can manifest as the engine revving higher than usual while the vehicle moves slower than expected, indicating a disconnect between engine performance and transmission engagement. Lastly, transmission slipping can occur, where the vehicle unexpectedly loses power in the drive. Recognizing these symptoms promptly can facilitate quicker diagnostics and repair. The first troubleshooting step involves confirming the DTC code P0731. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. It's crucial to engage the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. This clearing process allows for a fresh evaluation of the DTC displays. After clearing, test drive the vehicle in first gear while in D drive, D, at speeds exceeding 7 miles per hour, 12 kilometers per hour, for a duration of at least 12 seconds. Monitoring the performance during this test drive is essential, as you will later check for any new pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS once you complete this step. If DTC P0731 reappears, It indicates that the failure is repeatable, prompting you to progress to the next troubleshooting step. In the second step, you will measure the first clutch pressure to determine if it is within acceptable service limits. The pressure reading is critical. If it meets the limit, the first clutch itself is likely faulty, requiring replacement. In the case of a faulty first clutch, technician training and experience become necessary to clean out any metal debris or excessive clutch material inside the transmission, ensuring the internal parts are not contaminated before installing the new clutch. If, however, the first clutch pressure is outside the prescribed limits, you will continue on to the next stage of troubleshooting to assess the hydraulic circuit's functionality and condition, as it could be the source of the issue. In this crucial third step, measuring the line pressure is essential. The line pressure must be evaluated against the manufacturer's service limits. A reading outside the specified range indicates a potential blockage or failure within the hydraulic system. If the line pressure is acceptable, yet the DTC remains, it points to a clogged hydraulic circuit involving the first clutch. Cleaning this circuit is vital as it ensures the free flow of automatic transmission fluid, ATF, necessary for decent gear engagement. Should cleaning be insufficient, replacing the entire transmission may be required. On the other hand, if line pressure is inadequate, it hints at a failure in components like the ATF pump or the main regulator valve. Thus, replacing these components may become necessary to restore function. To ensure the repairs made resolve the P0731 issue, a final verification step is pivotal. Begin with a test drive under similar conditions that initially prompted the trouble code. Engage the transmission, specifically focusing on the first gear, verifying that the vehicle accelerates normally without excessive RPMs or slipping. After the drive, use the HDS to check once more for any existing DTCs. Ideally, the system should not display P0731 or any related codes, confirming that the issues have been successfully addressed. Proper gear engagement is crucial for safety and performance, so validate that normal operations have been restored, thereby ensuring the reliability of the repair work completed. Preventive maintenance is critical in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0731. Regular automatic transmission fluid, ATF, changes are paramount. Fresh fluid mitigates wear on internal components and enhances overall transmission efficiency. Additionally, timely servicing of other related systems, such as the cooling mechanisms and hydraulic circuits, is vital. Staying proactive can help catch any inefficiencies before they escalate into significant problems. Lastly, monitoring transmission performance can offer early indicators of potential issues, empowering drivers to address them promptly before they lead to troublesome DTCs. Keeping these preventive measures in mind will help ensure the long-term performance of the vehicle's transmission system. In conclusion, DTC P0731 signifies a critical transmission issue requiring thorough diagnostics and repair. Symptoms like poor acceleration, increased RPMs, and transmission slipping require early recognition to prevent severe malfunction. It's essential to follow the outlined troubleshooting steps sequentially, from confirming the DTC to ensuring the proper functioning of clutches and hydraulic circuits. Understanding potential causes, like faulty clutches and clogged circuits, enables focused repair strategies. By implementing preventive maintenance practices, drivers can extend the functional life of their transmission systems, reducing the likelihood of encountering the DTC in the future. Overall, meticulous attention to this issue will guarantee a smoother, safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!